If you want to add or change keyboard language on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down and go to additional settings. Then in here open languages and inputs, and then we're gonna go to manage keyboards, and then you want to choose Gboard because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Now in here we're gonna find the languages option, and in order to add or change the language, first we need to add it anyway, so we're gonna choose add keyboard, and then you can choose the language that you wish to use with your keyboard. So let's say I'm gonna choose this French language over here. You can also choose the layout and whether multilingual typing should be enabled or not, but once you set everything up, you can tap on done in the bottom right corner. Now we have two languages added. You can tap on edit in the upper right corner to choose the language that you no longer need to use. So for example, if you want to remove the old language that you had so far, then of course you should be able to tap on the checkbox over here to select the language that you want to remove, and then tap on this remove option in the upper right corner. What you can also do is you can change the order of these languages, because of course we can switch between these languages. So if you want to, you can keep 2 or more languages added on your keyboard. So if you want to change the language now, so if you have 2 languages and you want to switch between them, once you open the keyboard, you should be able to find this globe icon, which is currently highlighting itself. So you can tap on it in order to switch between your added languages. You can also press and hold your finger on the space bar, and as you can see here, we have the option to choose whichever language we wanted to use. And sometimes there is also this globe icon in the bottom right corner of the phone, which can also be used in order to change the language. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.